are now in East China's Tonglin city, also known as the country's ancient copper capital. I'm Xiyue with Xinhua News Agency. Behind is the Tongguanshan 1978 Culture and Creative Park, a place for residents to relax and entertain. What you may not imagine is that just a few decades ago, this was still a mining area. So let's take a look around.
The city's name Tonglin means mountains where copper is produced. In the 1950s, groups of builders from across the country came here to build railways, factories, and develop the mining industry. After the area ceased mining, the city started to repair and renovate. The production and life scenes of copper mine workers were reproduced here in this park, which has now become a popular tourist attraction.
Hello. Where are you from?
I'm from Argentina.
Oh, Argentina. What's your name?
My name is Sofia.
Sophia, you come all the way from Argentina to Tonglin?
Yes, I come all the way here.
Yeah, did you just arrive here or?
Oh, no, I've been here a few years teaching Spanish at Tonglin University.
Oh, that was great. So what makes you come here today to this park?
Oh, I come to this park because my husband works in the copper industry, in the mining industry, and his father's father and his father also. So I thought it would be very interesting to take a look at how things were in that time.
Yeah, that was great. So what do you think about the park? Oh,
I think it's great. I think they really captured what it was to live in that moment, and to show that it was very, very good, a very good life for that time.
In East China, there are a lot of industrial relics from the past, which are now slowly becoming carriers of culture and creativity. Every year, a lot of tourists and residents come here to relive history, relax, and have fun. Today, I've got a lot of amazing photos and videos and unforgettable memories here. I hope that one day you can come here by yourselves and relive history.